This is our 2012 Porsche 911 Carrera S. This particular example is in the superb Guards Red, and it's been enhanced by Kingsbridge to look exactly like it does now. It looks stunning. We have satin black Carrera S wheels with matching full colour centre caps, Guards Red brake calipers with the Porsche lettering on it, full privacy glass, and then round the back we've done the Porsche Carrera S lettering in satin black, and then we've also done the dual exit exhaust in satin black. The tips have been coated in satin black as well. So it just looks absolutely stunning. It's completely modernised the car and it suits it down to the ground. A stunning looking 911. I'm not normally a massive fan of red, but on this car it really is perfect. It's got loads of options, got about £10,000 worth of options on this car. It's in superb condition. The last owner having only done very few miles in it, and just having stored it in his garage for the 4 years that he owned it. It's got a full boot pack, 2 keys. Inside it's got the black leather interior. Again, the options all listed on the ad, but you've got things like the Porsche Crest on the headrest, the Alcantara headlining, the sunroof, electric seats 8-way. Got the BOSE sound system, sports steering wheel, flappy paddles. As your sunroof controls, you've got the sports exhaust as well. Spoiler, Sport Plus, Sport Chrono, touchscreen nav, heated seats. Really is a fantastic specification. Only 31,000 miles, makes it very unique. We'll do a little bit of revving for you as well so you can hear what the car sounds like. Got the sports exhaust button on. I'll show you how it sounds like. Have a look. And that, folks, is our Porsche 911S. Thanks to Phil for doing the camera work. Say hi, Phil. Hello. Phil's one of our regular collection drivers who will collect and deliver your cars all across the country. That's the car with the rear spoiler raised. Looks great. But that is pretty much it, folks. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.